Hi Dennis, how are you? In this video I will share with you how to get auto create or auto workflow to get a purchase order. So firstly I I will create a new product named B. This is the final product. Name it B. Product type storable product with sales price 5, cost 3, purchase now, inventory, make to order, and manufacturing. Now buy. We should to check these two options, make to order and manufacturing. This is for the final product. Okay, and save. We will back to B later. Okay, create the bill of material, create B1. We should to put buy like operation routes, just these options buy, and in the general information product type storable product, price for example 1, cost 0.9, and in purchase we should to add it a vendor. Okay, we select test vendor 109, save and save, and added reordering rule. Just click to reordering rule, create and save. That's all. Go back to list of product, create another bill of material, B2 storable product, 1 sales price, cost 0.9, purchase, added vendors line, select test vendors 1 and 0.9, save and close. In inventory select just buy and save, added reordering rule, create and hit save. Okay, added the third bill of material, create B3, product type storable products, sales price 1, cost 0.9, purchase, added line vendors, select test vendor 1, 0.9, save and close. In inventory buy, that's good, save and create reordering rule, create and save. So go back to the main or the final product is B to create the bill of material. Hit this smart button, bill of material, create, and added the component line B1 1 unit quantity, B2 for example, sorry, B2 select 2 quantity, and B3, what's going on, B3 select 3 quantity, save, and go to sales order, create quotations, select customer, added product or the final product B. We are here to buy 30, sorry, B, or 20 ordered quantity, save, going to purchase order to check is that any other purchase order with B1 or B2, no, no, B1, B2 or B3, same thing. So return to the sale order 4 with the 20 quantity to sale B. So hit confirm. After confirmed the sale order, auto generate of manufacturing order, we see here 20 quantity of B, and here we can see the request of purchase order. So go to inventory and operations, run schedules, and go back to purchase. We will find finally the purchase order number 4. Okay, with the 3 bill of material B1, B2, B3. That's good. Confirm order, receive products, after checking the quantity, go to validate, apply, going to the manufacturing order, check available, that's good. Now the quantity is available, so going to produce, quantity 20 units, record production, and that's it, mark as done. So the final step is delivery this quantity. Going to delivery orders. In ready state from sale order number 4, the quantity is available to delivery, so hit validate and apply. That's it.